This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments here for February 26, 2021. Corn market on the day down 2 1/4, beans down 3 1/4, Chicago wheat down 16 3/4, Minneapolis down 10 1/2, Kansas City down 19 1/2. On the week, corn up 12 3/4, beans up 28, Chicago wheat up 4 1/4, Minneapolis up 2 1/4, Kansas City down 7. So overall, it was a good week. It was a weaker finish, risk off in the outside markets and really in commodities in general due to a stronger dollar and a lot of other outside influences have resulted in circumstances here where it might feel we're coming off on a negative note, but it still was a good week. The insurance price for corn set now at $4.58. That's up 18% versus last year. We traded to $4.79 in new crop here this week. That's within the $4.75 to $5 goal for new crop that we've been talking about, and I think that's just an area you look at doing a little marketing against. Insurance levels for beans at $11.87, up 29% from last year's level. We traded to that $12.52 area, came off it pretty hard, but $12.30 to $12.50 was a goal area, and to just encourage people that what you don't have in covered off of that insurance base, look to that at a minimum for right now for kind of marketing measures. But this is going to be one dynamic year. Insurance price for spring wheat coming in at $6.53, up 17% over last year. So again, some good base foundations. Now we're through that February slot. We'll see what we got ahead. March, April, May can tend to get dynamic here as we work ahead. Feeder cattle down 175, lives down 167 1/2, hogs down 260 on the week. Feeder cattle down 45, live cattle down 282 1/2, and hog market up 265. 114 to 116 live trade, 182 to 186 dress. So we tried to hold in there with the live base there. We saw futures front month slip here a little bit. Exports were off sharply, and with the outside markets failing, we just couldn't hold it together. Realistically, April stalled at the 126 here last week. Second count is around that 132 mark, but we need to hold 119 to still have a shot at that 132, so we'll see what unfolds there. If we break below 119, look for a little bigger slide here. Hog index at 81, 93 to 95. Continues to be that key pricing area that we got into. Next count gets pretty lofty here, 114 type-ish for June. So again, we're at that third price count. We just think it's important to market here. Exports were off a bit, and we'll see what shakes loose from there. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great weekend.